Struggling with low back pain during your day-to-day activities? Discover 5 effective bedtime stretches that target low back pain. These gentle and accessible stretches can provide relief and improve spinal health. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new routine. Let's explore the best stretches for low back pain in bed. But before we start our journey, just make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest video. Now let's dive right in. Number 5. Knee to chest stretch. The knee to chest stretch is a gentle and effective stretch for relieving tension in the lower back. Here's a more detailed description of how to perform the stretch. Start by lying on your back on a comfortable surface such as a bed or yoga mat. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the bed, hip width apart. Take a moment to relax your body and breathe deeply. Slowly bring one knee up toward your chest, using your hands to grasp behind your thigh or shin. You can interlace your fingers or place your hands on top of your knee, depending on what feels most comfortable for you. As you pull your knee toward your chest, you should feel a gentle stretch in your lower back and buttock area. It's important to avoid any pain or discomfort during the stretch, so go only as far as feels comfortable for you. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your muscles to relax and elongate. After the designated time, slowly release the leg and return it to the starting position. Take a few moments to notice any changes in how your lower back feels before repeating the stretch on the other leg. Number 4. Pelvic Tilt. The pelvic tilt is a simple yet effective stretch that can help strengthen the core muscles and alleviate pressure on the lower back. Here's a more detailed description of how to perform the pelvic tilt. Start by lying on your back on a comfortable surface such as a bed or yoga mat. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the bed, hip width apart. Your arms can be resting comfortably by your sides. Take a moment to relax your body and breathe deeply. Begin the pelvic tilt by gently contracting your abdominal muscles. Imagine pulling your belly button toward your spine. As you engage your core muscles, tilt your pelvis upward. This will cause your lower back to press against the bed, flattening the curve. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, focusing on maintaining the engagement of your core muscles and keeping your breath steady. Slowly release the tilt and allow your lower back to return to its natural position. Repeat the movement for a total of 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 3. Spinal Twist. The spinal twist stretch is a beneficial exercise for improving spinal mobility and releasing tension in the lower back. Here's a more detailed description of how to perform the spinal twist stretch. Start by lying on your back on a comfortable surface such as a bed or yoga mat. Extend your arms out to the sides, forming a T shape with your body. Bend your knees and bring them up toward your chest, keeping your feet flat on the bed. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly lower both knees to one side of your body. Aim to bring your knees as close to the bed as feels comfortable, while keeping your shoulders flat on the bed. Once you've reached a comfortable position, you can use your opposite hand to gently press down on the top knee, increasing the stretch if desired. However, avoid any excessive force or pain during the stretch. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your body to relax into the twist. Slowly return your knees back to the center, and then repeat the stretch on the other side, lowering your knees in the opposite direction. Take a few moments to notice any changes in how your lower back feels before moving on. Number 2. Figure 4 stretch. Start by lying on your back on a comfortable surface such as a bed or yoga mat. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the bed, hip width apart. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee, creating a figure 4 shape with your legs. Ensure that your foot is flexed to protect your knee. Reach through the gap between your legs and clasp your hands behind the thigh of the non-crossed leg. Gently pull the non-crossed leg toward your chest until you feel a stretch in your glutes and outer hip of the crossed leg. You may also feel a stretch in the piriformis muscle, which is located deep in the glutes. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing the muscles to relax and elongate. Slowly release the leg and return it to the starting position. Repeat the stretch on the other side, crossing the opposite ankle over the knee and pulling the non-crossed leg toward your chest. Number 1. Cat-Camel Stretch. The Cat-Camel Stretch is a dynamic stretch that helps improve spinal flexibility and relieve tension in the lower back. Here's a more detailed description of how to perform the Cat-Camel Stretch. Start on all fours, with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Your back should be in a neutral position. Take a moment to center yourself and find a comfortable position. Begin the cat pose by rounding your back upward towards the ceiling, like a cat stretching. Drop your head slightly and tuck your chin towards your chest. As you round your back, engage your abdominal muscles and focus on pushing the middle of your back towards the ceiling. Hold this position for a few seconds, feeling the stretch in your entire spine. Now, transition into the camel pose by lowering your belly towards the bed or mat, arching your back in the opposite direction. Lift your head and let it gently fall back. As you arch your back, focus on lengthening your spine and opening your chest. Hold this position for a few seconds, feeling the stretch in your abdomen and lower back. Repeat the sequence, moving back and forth between the cat and camel poses for a total of 8 to 10 times. The Cat-Camel Stretch helps to mobilize the spine, improve flexibility, and release tension in the lower back. It promotes a healthy range of motion and can be particularly beneficial for individuals who experience stiffness or discomfort in their back. During the cat pose, you are flexing your spine, which helps stretch and lengthen the muscles along the back and improve spinal articulation. On the other hand, the camel pose extends the spine, helping to stretch the front of the body and open up the chest and abdomen. Incorporating these 5 stretches into your bedtime routine can be a simple yet effective way to address low back pain and promote better spinal health. Remember to listen to your body, start slowly, and gradually increase the intensity or duration of the stretches as your comfort level improves. While these stretches can provide relief, it's essential to address any underlying causes of low back pain and consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive evaluation and personalized guidance. Prioritize your well-being and make stretching a part of your daily routine to enjoy a healthier, more comfortable back. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay curious, stay healthy,